This area is proof that even the smallest garden spaces can take the biggest effort. What you see here might look clean and bright, but it didn't start this way. So just take a look at what it looked like when I got started here. So now I'm going to share a time lapse of the work and effort that I put in to get it to where it is today. When I started working on this project, I was told there wasn't any drainage running through the rocks, so I wasn't factoring drainage into the design as I worked. But while cleaning, I found 2 pipes that do drain right into the creek bed, and there's one on each side of the hose box. So now I'm reshaping the layout to make those pipes still function but remain hidden by camouflaging them so they blend in, because I still need to allow the water to flow out safely without causing erosion. Originally, I had planned to shape the rocks in just a decorative flow only, but with this new discovery, it means there's a small shift in the plan so I can make them both decorative and functional. This is a perfect example of why I like to say gardening is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to find. And that's it for this video. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section below, and I hope to see you next time on Garden Help.